Stop building accordions with JavaScript. You are bloating your site for no reason. Watch this. I'm building a fully functional animated accordion using nothing but native HTML and CSS. It's accessible, searchable, and incredibly lightweight. Today, I'm going to show you the right way to do it, right here on my phone. Let's dive in. See that? Clean, smooth, and 0 lines of script. But to truly master this, we need to understand the structure from the ground up. Let's clear this out and build it step by step so you can see exactly how it works. First, we need our standard HTML boilerplate. Even though we're on a mobile IDE, we follow the same professional standards as a desktop environment. We start with the doc type and the HTML tag. This sets the stage for our document. Now let's open up our style tag. For a modern mobile look, we want a dark theme. I'm using a deep navy background color from the Tailwind palette. It's easier on the eyes and looks great on OLED screens. We'll set the font to a clean sans serif for readability. Next, let's style the actual details element. This is the container for our accordion. We'll give it a slightly lighter background than the body to create depth and add some padding so the content doesn't feel cramped. The border radius will give it that modern mobile app feel. Now for the summary tag, this is the clickable header of the accordion. By default, browsers add a little triangle. We want to get rid of that to create our own custom UI. Setting list style to none hides that default marker. We also use Flexbox to push our icon to the far right. To make it look professional, we'll use a pseudo element for our toggle icon. I'm using the after selector to add a simple plus sign. By using CSS transitions, we can make the interaction feel organic and high quality when the user taps it. Here is the pro tip. We can target the open attribute of the details tag directly in CSS. When the accordion is open, we'll rotate the plus sign 45 degrees to turn it into an X and change its color to a soft red. This provides immediate visual feedback without a single line of JS logic. Finally, let's style the content inside. We'll add some margin to the top of the paragraph to separate it from the summary and use a lighter gray color to create a clear visual hierarchy. This makes the answer to our FAQ stand out without being overwhelming. We're done with the styles. Now we move to the body. Watch how simple the HTML structure is. One details tag, one summary tag for the title, and a P tag for the content. It is semantic, which means screen readers and search engines will understand exactly what this is. Let's add one more item to show how easily this scales. You can copy-paste this block as many times as you need. No ID, no unique JS selectors, no mess, it just works. This is the power of using the right tool for the job. Why write 50 lines of JS when HTML does it for free? And that is it, a beautiful, responsive, and native accordion built entirely on a phone. Let's run the code and see our masterpiece in action. Look at that smooth rotation and the clean layout. If you found this useful, screenshot the code and tag us. See you in the next one. Sharpen your skills on the go. Download CodeVarsity today from Play Store for premium courses, curated YouTube hubs, and interactive practice snippets with built-in IDE.